Can we combine our Y2K and Gamer Girl room? The floors don't match. Okay, that could work. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? You see, what happened was I was working on a craft, and then I took a quick trip to Walmart for supplies, and I found these world's smallest micro figures and comics. Hello Kitty, Care Bears, Barbie. I love all of these things. There's no way this can go wrong, right? Includes mini magnifier, complete full-length comic books. Each micro comic book is only 2.25 inches tall. Our Dollstagram yearbook is about 1.75 inches. So these are going to be about a ½ inch taller than that. They were $5.98 each, so I picked up just a few to test them out. It's a little paperboard box, which I love. And we're just going to open the top here. That was not graceful at all. Inside, we have that. We have that. And we have that. There's a collector's guide and a plastic bag that says World's Smallest Micro Figures and Comics. Wait, does that mean I get both? Or do I get just one or the other? Let's see what's inside. We get both and a mini magnifier. We have the comic book and the figure. This is the back. We might want to turn them around. We have Hello Kitty as a skater. I am loving the collectible display case. It's a hard plastic. It looks like Hello Kitty or the display will stand on its own. If we turn it around, there is a little door on the back that we can open up and take out the little mini figure. Micro figure. This is adorable, in my opinion. The only thing that could make it better is articulation. This little minifigure can move at the arm. The head can rotate. And it comes with a tiny spray can. That is very easy to lose. I just spent like 10 minutes searching the carpet for this thing. And there's a little peg in Hello Kitty's hand that allows the minifigure to hold it. But it took a little bit of work getting it on there. Hello Kitty, did you just spray paint your name on that wall? The comic book says Hello Kitty, An Unexpected Journey, Series 1. It looks like it is full color. Let's open it up. Yes, it looks like the comic is mainly pictures. And then here's our little magnifier. Oh wow, it actually works. That's like regular size and that's bigger. Cool. I can place the minifigure back into the case when not in use and add the comic book to my room clutter. And you can go up there for now. So this cost about $6. We're getting 2 items. If you divide it in half, that means we're paying about $3 per item. But if you're saying the minifigure has a higher value, well, I just looked online and they are going for $5.99 to like $12.99 on Amazon. So this isn't too bad, in my opinion, of course. As long as we don't get doubles, we're good. And this is a Barbie. But I think I got this Barbie with one of the dream houses. The back on this one is solid. The Barbie does come out, but it doesn't have any articulation. Here's the comic book. We have words in this one. Oh, that's pretty neat. On the back, we can see the different comic books and the different figures. Don't these look like the same ones that come with the houses? Yes. So if you've been collecting the houses, all of the Barbies are going to be repeats. No. All right, we're just going to carry on. But you know, if you don't have the dream houses, then this is a great time to find them. Let's carefully cut the top off of this one. Not me secretly hoping for Hello Kitty and Care Bears. Yeah! Ooh, I'm loving that retro Care Bears vibe there. We have Good Luck Bear, and there is a nice little picture on the back as well. Do we have articulation in this tiny little bear? No? Man, what's going on? Hello Kitty set the bar pretty high. All the comic books don't have the same number of pages. The Care Bears book so far has been the thinnest with only 4 pages. This Hello Kitty book has 10 pages and the Barbie one has 6. Hello Kitty it is. Although this little Care Bear comic book is pretty cute. No, we want just articulation. So here we go. Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. Barbie. And I got the same comic. This is Totally Hair Barbie. It's solid on the back. And the Barbie is a stationary figure. I would have loved to have seen a different Barbie design in these micro figures. But on the bright side, with our doubles, we can have one to play and one to display. And here we have Harmony Bear. Aww. Care Bears were a huge part of my childhood. And we got a new comic. There's a picture of Harmony Bear on the back. The Care Bears appear to be the same mold, just different colors. And this comic book is super cute too. But I still want more Hello Kitty because they're just giving me more. Hopefully, this is Hello Kitty. Why didn't I cut that better? All right, here we go. Come on, come on. Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, yes! Ooh, and it's a new one. Here is our newest figure. On the back, we have a picture of milk. Let's open it up. There's a little bag in there. Oh, it's for the tiny little milk. See? Hello Kitty is giving us accessories. The little hands move, the head moves, and we get a pretty thick comic book. This one is 8 pages. We have 2 to go, and this is, ooh, a new Barbie comic book. And a double. No! I'm just gonna paint her bathing suit gold. And while waiting for that to dry, let's take one of the bags and fold it in half. Cut a little oval shape out of the top of the bag to make a little shopping bag for our dolls. Totally not sponsored. Now we can pretend like our dolls have been buying comics at a comic book store. Sorry, but I just needed some crafting therapy. Okay, back in my good place. And my little gold bathing suit is dry. So that's one thing we can do. The comic book is pretty cute. I'm loving the art. And this one is 8 pages. This is our last one. I've been pretty good. I haven't gotten too many doubles. And my last one is a Hello Kitty. Come on, y'all. You know you want to say it. Yeah! Hello Kitty in a mech suit? I'll take it. The back has a nice little picture. On our minifigure, the head can turn, and so can those teeny tiny arms. What? Here's our comic book. It is 8 pages, giving our dolls a pretty decent comic book collection. Comparing the miniature Barbie to a mini Bratz, it's about half the size, which is probably why the paint is simple. But they're about the size of Polly Pocket, and she has eyeballs, which means they're a decent size for mini Little Tykes, or Little Tykes minis. This is also from World's Smallest. It's a part of the Tiny Arcade. I bought it on Amazon for $24.99. It has 9 Atari games, including a bonus Pac-Man game, coming to a grand total of 10 games. Take care when removing it from the box that you don't cut the cord. The box says that it is the smallest fully functioning desktop console game. There is a on-off switch on the bottom. The screen is telling me to press this button to start. In person, it's a pretty decent screen. It does have some flashing lights. It's telling me to pick asteroids. And okay, well, there's a high score sheet. Cool. Press start. Is this start? Oh, this actually works. Oh no. Okay, what am I supposed to do? I don't remember ever actually playing this game. How do I move? Do I just go one direction? What's going on? I don't know how to play. Okay, so asteroids is not my jam. Let's see what else we can find. We can use this little console here. I think I can move. Can I move up and down? Do these little buttons here work? All right, let's just press that one. No? Maybe I gotta use the joystick. Okay, that's how it works. Let's pick, I think that says Pac-Man. I don't know, it's so small. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, make sure that the controller is facing the right direction. I think that was our problem on the first game. And then we are ready to play. Oh, it has sound. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay, I'm at the bottom. Oh, look, I'm actually playing this teeny tiny game. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, it just split in two. All right, so I'm not great at that either. But this is a great size for the dollhouse, and it really works. The comic books are a little large, but I still think they are very cute for the dolls, and the minifigures make great toys for dolls. And the game console definitely takes the cake for my favorite mini today. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few things from World's Smallest. Let us know in the comments down below if anything caught your eye. And if you're looking for a little size comparison, here is the Basic Fun TV next to the game console. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.